Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Luma Dream Machine to create AI videos for free. So, in order to do this, first of all, navigate to lumalabs.ai, create an account and you'll be on Luma Labs AI's dashboard. So, to begin, select your preferred visual or enter a theme for your video you want to create. You'll also have options to adjust your style, resolution and animation preferences. If you want, you can add text overlays or simple dialogue to enhance your AI video. You can experiment with colors, fonts and placements to make it unique. Just enter that specific prompt here. You can type some text or add an image. You can click on prompt guide and it is going to take you to this page where you can learn how to prompt. So, in order to give a good prompt, you'll have to be specific. Clearly describe the main subject, setting, and any key elements you want in the video. For example, a serene bench at sunset with waves gently crashing on the shore and seagulls flying in the sky. Now, you can include details, like mention any particular details that are important for the video. For example, the bench has golden sand and a few palm trees. The sky is painted with hues of pink and orange. After this, describe the mood or the atmosphere you want to convey. For example, the video should feel peaceful and calming. Also, avoid complex terms and jargons. Simple, straightforward language is most effective. So, I will enter a cozy living room with a crackling fireplace and a cat sleeping on the rug. Now, if you're not entirely sure how to write a prompt, use the Enhance Prompt feature to let the AI turn your simple concept into detailed prompts. It's highly recommended to additionally use Enhance Prompt button even on image-only inputs as well for the best results. So check this box that says Enhance Prompt and click on Send. After you click on Send, you will have to wait and NVIDIA AI will generate a great video according to your prompt. So after setting up your visuals, you can click on the generate button to let the AI process your selections. It may take few moments as it renders the video based on your specifications. Once the video is ready, preview it to see the final look. Make any adjustments if necessary, then download it to your device. And that's it. With Luma Dream Machine, creating AI-powered videos is simple and free. As you can see, Luma AI has generated this excellent video according to my prompt. So I will click here and it is going to open up this video. You can preview it here. Now, if you want to extend it, click on extend button and prompt to extend the generation with any specifications you need. Enter what kind of extension you want here. Click on send. It will enhance your video according to that prompt. Now, click on the download button and it is quickly going to download this file onto your PC. Now you can click on open file and this video will be downloaded onto your PC with this watermark. If you want to remove this watermark, you'll have to basically upgrade to a pro plan. Now you can go back, click on create again and enter another kind of prompt, generate a new video and use that video. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.